For those of you that are looking to replace your rear wiper on your 2021 Toyota Venza, basically what you do is you pull these outwards like this and like this. There you go. So you see those two little nipples right there that basically go in here, and all you have to do is basically spread these apart like so and then lift it up. And then when you do that, you'll now have access to lifting this up. And then for the wiper portion, pull it like that and you'll see it pop off. And then here you'll be able to see that little swivel area right there. Just pop this off. And then what I'm replacing it with is this Bosch for the rear. It's a 14. Installation is basically the same. Slide that in, get it click in place. Back down, clip this back down, and you're done.